In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect on LinkedIn when there's no connect button. Let's start by navigating to linkedin.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in. You have a few options for this. You can sign in with Google, Microsoft, or simply use your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might take an extra step to verify your identity. They may send a code to your phone number, which you'll need to enter for secure access. This added layer of security is there to protect your account, so make sure your contact information is up to date for a smooth login process. Now that you're logged in, you might come across some LinkedIn profiles where the usual connect button is missing. Instead, you may notice a follow button in its place. This switch happens for several reasons. Sometimes, people prefer others to follow them rather than directly connect, often to manage their network more selectively. But there's an easy workaround if you still want to connect. Hover over the More button, usually marked by three dots right around where the connect button would typically appear. Clicking on this More button will open a drop-down menu. And within that menu, you'll see an option to connect. Selecting this will allow you to send a connection request despite the initial appearance suggesting otherwise. As you proceed to send your connection request, you'll have the chance to add a personalized note. This step is crucial. Writing a short, thoughtful message can significantly increase the likelihood of the person accepting your invitation. It provides context and shows you're genuinely interested in connecting for a specific reason, perhaps to discuss a shared interest or professional opportunity. Crafting a personal message not only enhances your chances of a successful connection but also helps you stand out in their notifications. Remember, being proactive and thoughtful in your LinkedIn interactions can make all the difference. By following these steps, you can navigate around the absence of a direct connect button and extend your professional network seamlessly. This approach not only helps you connect more effectively but also ensures you maintain a proactive and engaging presence on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep these tips in mind as you build and nurture your professional relationships on LinkedIn. Until next time.